Arun Jaitley there speaking on the finance bill that is being introduced. In fact, the opposition protesting about changes that were brought in at the last minute, a finance bill to be moved in the lower house, and major changes made to it. The opposition objecting to these last minute amendments, saying objecting to certain inclusions, and wants a current finance bill to be withdrawn and a fresh one brought in. Rahul Srivastav joins us on the phone line for more. You can hear Arun Jaitley there speaking about those changes and why they brought out those changes in the finance bill. The Trinamool and Congress have objected to these changes. Well, Rahul on the line with us. Rahul, tell us, we can see the finance minister there speaking in the Lok Sabha, but opposition objecting to certain amendments.
Basically, the finance bill is one of the most sacred documents as far as the financial exercise of a government is concerned. It is a crucial document which is debated and passed by the Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha debates it but does not have powers to vote on it. Now the opposition, Congress and Trinamool and the left have, when the bill was being taken up, have objected to a certain fact that there were amendments moved at the last minute. They got the amendments today morning. They have objected that the finance bill largely contains the tax proposals of a government which are talked about in the budget, which have to be given a shape so that the government can take money or borrow money from the authorized agencies. The problem here is that the opposition is claiming that the government cannot include newer proposals, say for example a fund for senior citizens, into a tax proposal, and that's an argument which currently Mr. Arun Jaitley, the finance minister, is answering. The demand of the opposition is, since amendments have been introduced, some elements which could well be separate legislation have been included in the tax proposals in the finance bill. That is why the finance bill should be withdrawn and should be taken up in a fresh form sometime on Tuesday. The government is not agreeing to that, primarily because if the finance bill gets delayed, the government will have very little time for GST and other crucial legislations, and also it will be a serious embarrassment for the government if a document or if a legislation like the finance bill, the government has to withdraw.